What the hell is going on in here?
I'm stuck?
Oh no, what happened?
Meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, meow, meow.
I was trying to do laundry and I fell into the washing machine.
You're an idiot, Patrick.
Shut up, Squidward! SpongeBob, help me get out of here!
Okay, let me see. Wow, you really wedged yourself in there.
Hurry up! It's getting hot and soapy in here!
This is too good. I have to get my camera.
Meow, meow.
Harry's right. We need some lubricant to slide you out of there.
What kind of lube? Where are we gonna find that?
Don't worry, Patrick. I got some cooking oil in the kitchen. This should do the trick.
Well, great idea, Squidward. Let's cook myself a love while we're at it!
Meow, meow, meow.
Hold still, Patrick. We almost got you.
What in Neptune's name is going on? And why is my cooking oil all over my employee? SpongeBob!
Meow, meow.
Get me out of here!
Sandy Cheeks would never allow this chance.
Meow.
I can't breathe!
Just another day in Bikini Bottom.